All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and today, well, big changes coming to the channel. Obviously, I got a new server rack. It's from StarTech.com. I thought about doing a video montage of putting this together, but there's a ton of that on YouTube. It's basically just assembling an erector set. For old people, you know what that is. For other people, probably not. But it's bolting stuff together, nothing really complex. It's not hard. You have a little bit of strength, one person can do it. I did it by myself. Let's talk about what's in here right now, and then we'll do other videos on some other stuff that were future plans. But right now, what I've got is I've got a patch panel along with a 24 port 1 gig switch. The only reason for this is it's basically a placeholder right now. Everything's done from my mesh network because the router's 2 stories up. So speeds are about the same as what I get off the main router. So it's not a big concern, but I needed more ports. So I decided to just temporarily do this right now because the 10 gig switch I want is not available right now. So I'm waiting on that. You know, a YouTuber does a video about a switch and all of a sudden it's sold out everywhere. Which makes sense. But anyway, I've got just a TP link. Now this right here is going to be the home of my Unraid server. I've gone ahead and replacing the Fractal Design case with an actual server case. I still have to get a UPS for this, but if worst case scenario, I have a UPS for my NAS that can just plug in the back of this. Not a big deal. And actually right now it's running off of the battery backup for that PC, so it's on a UPS. But I'll be adding my Unraid server back to this, and I've got a good bit of space for other activities. It's just what the direction of this channel is going. I'm going more towards home lab server, playing with hardware kind of stuff. And this stuff is kind of fun. My son wants to go into IT. He'll get to play on a virtual device. So I'll be building other servers to populate this 18U server, and we get to have some fun. So if you want to see more content involving servers, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.